Makati and top bitches.
Pulling in 1400 with some homies on my side. And you know that we're not basic, so we pull up with a rap. If the boy is going crazy, then you stay on my behind. Yeah, I know it looks so easy, but you don't know how we grind. But you don't know how we grind. Yeah, but you don't know how we grind. But you don't know how we grind. Yeah, I know it looks so easy, but you don't know how we grind.
Pinagpawisan sa libangan, pagsinde ko ng halaman. Tumulay na sa isipan, yung lagkitan na tinginan. Malabo ng tigilan, kaya di na mapigilan ang di mo nahiligan. Kaya please lang ha. Kaya please lang ha. Kaya please lang ha. Kaya please lang ha. Kaya please lang ha.
Joke lang. Cool na cool kahit yosi ko hindi menthol. Smooth na smooth lang parang ulo ni Bembol. Mapapasa na all lang kasi tablado katol. O smoke katol, joke lang, smoke ka ng katol. Matik sa pulang mga pulpol, sure ball, yeah. Iyak silang lahat tamang kahol. Dami ng mga shorty na nagkahabol. Sabi ko sorry kasi di na ako available.
Shining on these motherfuckers, I ain't even trying. They all trying to ride away, but watching more drown. How to get this money, they fuck about a cloud. Trying to reach the top, I ain't never going down. My enemies, my own reflection. They talking shit, but we do action. Funny how they all be fake flexing. Pretty bitches all up in my section.
Tangina, keep it running. Wake up every morning, cup of coffee, konting kanin. Tapos tuloy misyon, lahat ng hamon sasagutin kesa ako'y patuloy ng malaman. Masaya pala dito sa taas. Eto na yun, hindi na ako lalabas. Seryoso lang, tuloy-tuloy ang ahon. Ihanda ang sarili sa sunod mong napabangon.
Uy, may troll sa...
Bakit?
Patay. Patay dalawa. Ang gago mo, patay na ako, nakita mo. Uy, gago, may pumaparil. Alis. Ano?
Yan, di siya sana yan.
Tara.
Ano?